I'd like to officially welcome everyone to this session outlining BDC's exploration into the markets of the French Caribbean outermost regions, namely Guadeloupe, Martinique, and French Guiana. This seminar is a continuation of our development of sustainable exports to the EU project, which is partly funded by the Caribbean Aid for Trade Fund to the tune of over $600,000. The project is led by the BDC's team of export promotion officers and executed in collaboration with A to Z Information Jamaica Limited. Dr. Noel Watson and Mr. Aaron Park from A to Z Information Jamaica were scheduled to attend and present at this seminar. However, due to Hurricane Sandy, they were unable to make it. Our thoughts are with them, and we hope that they are safe in the aftermath of the hurricane, because I inquired, I don't think we were able to get in touch, but hopefully everything is okay. Now is an exciting time for the business development company. We have just been officially entrusted by the government of Trinidad and Tobago with a new mandate of creating internationally competitive firms in the non-energy manufacturing and services sectors to grow and diversify trade and generate wealth through export-led growth. The BDC will soon assume the name of Export TT as we restructure and refocus our efforts to aid the growth of exports in the non-energy sector in Trinidad and Tobago. Recently, we initiated an online survey to all the key exporters in Trinidad and Tobago. Some of you are in this room, with an aim to capturing information on prevalent issues and challenges. I encourage all the attendees to assist us in this exercise by completing the survey. Following the survey, BDC officers will meet with each company face-to-face to gain a deeper understanding of what our clients need. This will feed directly into developing a strategic plan for Export TT that will guide the activities and projects of the company over the next 5 years. Arising out of this new strategic plan, we'll launch a new series of products and services that reflect your needs and are designed to have an immediate and lasting impact of the growth, on the growth of you local exporters. I could just add an aside. I just came back from 2 conferences dealing with trade promotion organizations. One was in Malaysia and the other one was in Indonesia. And the common thread of both of them is that the effectiveness of a TPO, a trade promotion organization such as BDC, lies in the closeness that we have with the exporters, the ability for us to develop products and services that meet what exporters need, what they want. So this survey is really critical for us to help develop that link, and all our products and services will be geared from what you, the exporters, are telling us you need, or how we can best assist you. In addition to this project that is focused on the FCORs, we are currently executing a second project on the Latin American market as a sustainable destination for Trinidad and Tobago's non-energy products. As some of you may know, a team of BDC officers executed 4 market survey missions to Panama, El Salvador, Guatemala, and Dominican Republic between October 2011 and May 2012. As a follow-up, the BDC will execute contact promotion missions to Panama and the Dominican Republic in early 2013. Our Latin American missions will further expand in 2013 with market survey missions to Brazil, Costa Rica, and Chile. These markets are selected on the basis of their complementarity of trade with Trinidad and Tobago, their market size, as well as their consumer profiles, which provide a close fit with the products and services which are on offer from Trinidad and Tobago. Thirdly, the BDC has accessed funding from the Center for Development of Enterprises to execute a project aimed at promoting food and beverage exports to 4 European markets, namely the United Kingdom, Germany, Sweden, and the Netherlands. Phase 2 of this project will focus on building the capacity of food and beverage firms so they can meet the rigid requirements of the European markets, with selected companies going on to be trained on market entry requirements to the 4 territories in Europe. BDC will also work with them to develop a comprehensive action plan to support entry into Europe, as well as institutional strengthening and capacity building in the areas of export marketing, requirements for packaging, labeling, chemistry and nutritional analysis, food safety, and certification and export promotion based on individual company needs for entry into the European market. Further along, we will soon initiate an advisory export committee. This is another step in our process of active customer engagement and feedback. Large as well as upcoming exporters of goods and services in Trinidad and Tobago will be represented on this committee. The committee is expected to convene regularly to discuss the major export-related issues facing Trinidad and Tobago and make recommendations. The findings of this committee will directly inform the services that we provide. Currently, we are helping several companies complete the certification process for various quality standards to improve market access. We offer co-financing for the implementation of ISO, food safety implementation such as HACCP, with similar assistance being developed for other areas such as packaging and labeling, product registration in foreign markets, which I know can be expensive, documentation, and legal fees. We are working on several innovative ICT strategies to promote Trinidad and Tobago's exports to the international market, to strengthen communication and information flow among export-related agencies, such as the BDC, InvestTT, and the Ministry of Trade, Industry, and Investment, and increase communication and business networking among exporters. These initiatives include an online national export registry, a virtual trade expo, where you can go online and basically see all the products and services of Trinidad and Tobago-based exporters, intranet of export-related agencies, which then will enable us very seamlessly and fluidly to communicate to each other and to share documents and get feedback and even amend those documents online. And an intranet of exporters. So, for example, you're all assembled in this room, but you may not know each other, but online you can have a shared presence and communicate and even develop mentorship type of arrangements among exporters. Post leads that might be of interest, so it may be of interest to your company, but on a market mission, you may have picked up a lead that may benefit another company, and you can post that information on that intranet, which would be specifically for exporters. We will also continue to collaborate with the ministry on the full implementation of the single electronic window. Realizing that a complete and fully functional network of export facilitation agencies is needed, BDC is also partnering with other agencies to effectively develop solutions that address the needs of the exporters. We are currently exploring MOUs with export support agencies such as the Bureau of Standards, CTBS, Cariri, InvestTT, and the various chambers of commerce. In addition, we will explore formal relationships with regional trade promotion agencies such as the Caribbean Export Development Agency, CEDA, JAMPRO, which is the Jamaica organization, and others, as well as international agencies such as MarTrade in Malaysia, ITC, and the Commonwealth Secretariat. Our overall target over the next 5 years is to double the non-energy exports of Trinidad and Tobago. As CEO, I'd like to encourage you to continue the feedback process and work with us collaboratively to achieve our common objectives of increasing export competitiveness and non-energy exports. So again, on behalf of the management and staff of BDC, we would like to thank you for your continued support, and we look forward to working with you in the future and to a successful seminar today. Thanks again. Thank you.